What is this? What? What is this? Oh my god. What is this?
What is that? A Godzilla?
No, girl.
What is that?
This thing that's trying to stare into my soul right now is called the Komodo dragon.
I thought dragons didn't exist. Okay, I'm over exaggerating.
Now we're gonna review over what's in our box. So we got the corn chips, the tortilla corn chips.
The yogurt. Gummy yogurt.
Oh,
The
I've seen
gummy
people have
yogurt.
those. Lemon mint flavor. And mint candy. It didn't say on the
It's an interesting
backside
flavor.
this.
And then we got the vanilla. Oh, it's a layer cake.